How to check Roblox warnings. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I show you how to check your Roblox warnings. Normally, when you receive a warning on Roblox, the next time you log in or access your profile, you will see the warning message. It will display the time your action was reviewed and possibly a moderator note, the reason for the warning, and the offensive item. To reactivate your account, you must agree after reading the warning. Once you have read and agreed to the warning, it will disappear. Unfortunately, there is no way to view the past warnings on Roblox. After you reactivate your account by agreeing or reading through them, you cannot go back to check the warnings. Additionally, there is no set number of warnings that led to a ban. Therefore, you must keep track of all your warnings mentally. However, do not worry much. If you do not receive warnings frequently, your account should be safe. The intention of this video is not to spread misinformation but to inform viewers that there is no official method to check previous Roblox warnings. You need to remember all of your warnings by heart. If this video answered your question, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.